Alrighty, hey, Ron One here with the LittleWierdJeep. I think you know the story on that. This is what replaced my LittleWierd truck, the 2008 JKU. One of the first things I'm doing to it is getting a fire extinguisher in it. Safety first, you know. So I got this Rugged Ridge fire extinguisher holder from Amazon. It was normally $19.99. I got it for $15.99 during Black Friday. And this Kid model FA110 fire extinguisher, which I almost bought on Amazon for $19.99. So I thought I'd hit Walmart real quick, and it was $14.99, same model. So here it is in its holder, and I'm going to strap it, I think, right in here. See if I've got that on the camera here. Okay, like I said, I think I'm going to put it kind of like it here, right? Kind of on that shelf. It probably should go there, but I just think it's a little more accessible there. Two straps can make it, I think, on the straight piece, and another one that'll be at the angle, but I think that'll work out all right. So give it a try here. Of course, I'm probably going to block the camera while I do it, so give it a shot here. Loosen all these straps. Seems pretty rugged, this Rugged Ridge holder. No pun intended. Rugged Ridge holder seems pretty rugged. Oh well. Okay, so we got her stripped down. So, set it in there. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. This I can't get that strap down low there, so I think I'm going to have to go up in here, which is fine. So, already a change of plans. You never know. It's going to work out until you do them. So, that's already going to grab a hold of itself there. Do the loop. Cinch it down, Velcro around. Cinch it down and Velcro around. Cinch it down and Velcro around. I know, weird. Like a LittleWierdJeep shot. Up here, right here. Set it down, right? And one more. Yeah, right, fine. And let's look here. So there it is, strapped to the old roll bar. Real snug. Always a good idea with the Jeep to have a fire extinguisher. You never know when you're going to pop a oil line or something, create a fire. So, first thing kind of that I did to my the new old LittleWierdJeep. So, a couple upcoming things I got going on with this thing here. I'm going to put an owl cam in it, dash cam, that films outside and in. For like accidents and break-ins, it's got a sensor in it. It'll go off if somebody gets in your Jeep, and the film goes up to the web. So that'll be pretty cool. My brother's got one in his truck and likes it a lot. And I got to get some kind of storage bag going on back here. Got too much stuff. You know, us Jeep guys, we got to carry lots of crap, so got a lot of things coming up. So again, we just finished with the Kid fire extinguisher, 2.5 pound model FA110, and the Rugged Ridge fire extinguisher holder will hold up to a 3-pounder. So there we go. And obviously it's red, so you know, what are you going to do? So let's get this thing shut up, and we'll catch you on the next thing we do. I still want to do a walk around of the whole Jeep, talk about what's on this thing, which most of it came not that way. A few things from my LittleWierd trucker going on it, but we'll do that here pretty soon. Catch you later, guys. Bye.